Inductors and inductor coils. Types, applications, and principles. This video will give an in-depth discussion about inductors and inductor coils. You will learn more about topics such as what are inductors and their basic principles, types of inductors and inductor coils, core design of inductor coils, applications and uses of inductor coils, inductance and factors affecting inductance of an inductor coil, considerations when choosing an inductor coil, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding inductors and their fundamental principles. Defining an inductor coil. Key principles of inductor coils. Chapter 2. What are the different types of inductors and inductor coils? Types of inductor coils based on their cores. Air core inductors. Air core construction. Description of air core inductors. Inductor applications and features. Ceramic core inductor. Ceramic core inductor construction. Ceramic core inductor description. Ceramic core applications and features. Ferrite core inductors. Ferrite core inductors construction. Ferrite description. Ferrite core applications and features. Iron core inductors. Inductor construction. Iron core inductor description. Iron core inductor applications and features. Laminated steel core inductors. Laminated steel core inductor construction. Laminated steel core description. Laminated steel core application and features. Powdered iron core inductor. Construction of powdered iron core inductors. Iron powder core description. Iron powder core applications and features. Chapter 3. What is the core design of inductor coils? Bobbin-based inductors. Bobbin-based inductors construction. Bobbin-based inductors description. Bobbin-based inductors applications and features. Toroidal core inductors. Toroid core inductors construction. Toroid core inductors description. Toroid core applications and features. Frequently asked questions. What is an inductor and how does it function in a circuit? How do core materials affect inductor performance? Where are toroidal core inductors commonly used? When should a designer choose an air core or ferrite core inductor? What factors should be considered when selecting an inductor for a specific application? Which inductor types are critical in industrial power supplies? Chapter 4. What are the applications and uses of inductor coils? Multi-layer chip inductor. Multi-layer chip construction. Multi-layer chip description. Multi-layer chip applications and features. Thin film inductor. Thin film construction. Thin film inductor description. Molded inductor. Molded inductor construction. Molded inductor description. Molded inductor applications and features. Coupled inductor. Coupled construction. Coupled inductor description. Coupled inductor applications. Power inductor. Power construction. Power inductor description. Power inductor applications and features. Chokes. Chokes construction. Choke description. Choke applications and features. Color ring inductor. Color ring inductor construction. Color ring inductor description. Color ring applications and features. Shielded surface mount inductor. Shielded surface mount construction. Shielded surface mount inductor description. Shielded surface mount applications and features. Wireless charging coils. Wireless charging coils construction. Wireless charging coil description. Wireless charging coils applications and features. Shielded variable inductor. Shielded variable inductor construction. Shielded variable inductor description. Shielded variable inductor applications. Chapter 5. What is inductance and what factors affect the inductance of an inductor coil? Inductance of an inductor coil. Inductance characteristics. Self-inductance process. Mutual inductance process. Factors affecting coil inductance. Number of turns/wraps in the coil. Coil area. Coil length. Core material. Chapter 6. What considerations should be taken into account when choosing an inductor coil? When selecting inductor coils, several factors need to be considered. Circuit requirements and inductor performance. Power circuit applications. RF considerations. Inductor size and shielding. Tolerance percentage. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right inductors and inductor coil manufacturer for your needs.